It's Mrs. Spencer again, and today we are looking at our second lesson of money. So today we are going to be counting money in pounds. You show me that you can count money in pounds. You can also use bar models to represent amounts of money, and you can even use your problem solving skills to find an answer. So we're going to have a look at these coins and we are going to see if we can name them. Okay, so here we have our £1 coin. And if you look, it's slightly different to pence. The £1 sign goes before the number. So it goes before the number. When we were writing pence, the P would go after the number. Here we have our £2 coin, a £5 note. Now these look slightly different now, but you can still tell it is a £5 note. A £10 note, a £20 note. Now I want you to look at the coins and the notes below. And I want you to try and describe them. And I want you to tell me what is the same and what is different. Now we're going to have a look and we're going to have a think about the amounts that are shown. And remember to look at the values to help us know in how we can count. So if you look here, we have one 50p coin, which gives us the total of 50 pence. Moving on, we've got £1 coins, so we can count in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's £8. Now if you have a look, you can see we've got 50p. The pence is after the number, but where we've written £8, that pound sign goes before the 8. Okay, so we have got £2 coins next. So to find the amount, we're going to be jumping in twos. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That gives us £14. Now we're going to look at the amounts shown by counting the notes, and the amounts will tell us what our jumps are going to be in. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20. That's £20. If you have a look at the £10 notes, you can see there is a 10 in the corner, so we're going to count in jumps of 10. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. £50. And let's count in jumps of 20. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. There's £100 shown there. Having a look here, we've got some different amounts with different combinations of coins. So we've got a 50p, a £1 and a £1. So we've got £2 and 50 pence. Have a look at the next one. We've got £1, 3, 5, 6, 8, £8.50, £10.50. And if we look at the bottom, we've got £1, add £5, which is 6. Add 2, 8. Add 1 is 9. We've got 20p, so we've got £9 and 20p plus 5, £14 and 20 pence. Let's have a look at the amounts shown. We've got a mixture of notes and coins. So we've got 5, 15, 25, 30. We've got £30. The next row we've got 10, 15, 25, 35, 45. £45. Looking at the bottom, we've got 20, 40, 45, 55, £75. Now we're going to match the money to the correct total. So let's count the total in each box. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have £30, so we draw the line to match to the correct amount. Let's have a look at the next box. We're counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's £50. And let's look at the last box. Remember, we're counting in twos because they are £2 coins. So the value is £2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we're going to draw that line to the last box. Right, now we have a bar model. Most of you should have come across bar models before. Remember, this top part here, this is the whole. So this is where we write what the whole number is. And then underneath, the bar model is divided into parts. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, £5. The whole number, so that goes at the top of the bar model, is £5. Looking at the second one, we've got our £2 coins making up each of the parts of the bar model, and then we'll write the whole number in this top bar. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. £12. More bar models, but using notes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's £25 going in the top part that shows the whole amount. Looking at the next one, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. £50 is the whole amount. Go to the next one. So this is in 4 parts. We've got 4 £20 notes. 20, 40, 60, 80. £80 in total. So Che says he has £15. I want you to have a look and tell me if you think Che is correct, and tell me how you think you know. Now, to work this out, let's have a look at how much money he has in his hand. So we can see there's a £10 note, and then we can see there are £2 coins. So let's count how much money there is altogether. We've got 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we've just counted that he's got £20 in his hand. So is he correct when he says he has 15? No, he's not. He has 20. What mistake do you think he might have made? So if we look at how many £2 coins there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the value of those 5 coins is £10, but what might he have done? He may have mistaken the £2 coins for £1 coins. Now we want you to identify the values below that can be made only using £5 notes. Remember the pattern and the rule that you found for multiples of 5. What do they need to end in? They need to end in a 0 or a 5 to be able to be made up with £5 notes. We have 35, 65, 80. What's the last one? It is 100.